my goodness. What's up, guys? So as of right now, it's already 12 o'clock. What's gonna happen is just got my new car yesterday, so I'm gonna have to clean out the car today and clean it all up and do a nice little detail just to make it look decent, you know. So as of right now, I'm gonna go ahead and start getting the pressure washer ready and all that stuff, and then spraying down the ar. Yes, it's a little hot, but I can't take out the car to a car wash or anything of that sort. So either way, the paint is a little bit beat up, but we'll take care of that later on down the road. And so here's the car's factory manual. So the guy before him, he told me that the one kid had a big wing on it, so he took that off. So I do have a spare trunk, so maybe I'll put that on. I'm not sure yet. As you can tell, paint's a little faded, maybe just dirty because he hasn't cleaned it up, but a little bit of paint chipping here and there. Yeah, the paint is a little faded. I mean, you could probably do a little paint correction here and there, so that should make it a whole lot better. It does have Honda wheels on there. Don't know why, but not the biggest fan. I do have the stock wheels down that way. Might put those on, but most likely I'm just gonna end up putting some wheels. And I do have the front bumper. It does have to get painted. It's a whole different shade of blue. Apparently the guy, he tried to clean it up, but I'm gonna get everything done. I might get a whole nice body kit for it, maybe stock bumpers, I'm not sure. So the interior here, as you can tell, pretty decent. It does need a little bit of vacuuming and a little bit of cleaning up to do. So today I'm gonna end up taking all the seats out, all that stuff, and cleaning every little bit of this car. Throughout time, I'll actually take care of it, you know, really good. So I am missing a trim piece here, which I do have over there, and it's also missing the fabric here, which, as you can tell, it's a little bit different. This nice smooth one, I think it's that piece over there laying on the ground, so I'm gonna have to take care of that. But as you can tell, yeah, it's this old car, 2003. I'm guessing the owner before him didn't really take care of this car much, or who knows. Bro, I forgot how to turn these shits on.
Dumbass. First of all, okay, then pump the oil thing.
I'll pump your oil.
Yo, instrucciones.
Don't remember.
Aquí, instrucciones.
Oh wait, gas on. That's the bottom. On.
Yo, let's pop off the muffler.
Why?
Why not? Race car.
Okay, so I'm gonna head and start off cleaning off the wheels first. Yes, Honda wheels, and has new tires on it, so I might just swap them out later. There's my buddy Jesse. He's gonna be helping out for a bit. And why you gotta do that?
What?
So
all the ducks are swimming in the water.
yeah. Harder, little boy. Damn, kid. Why, bro?
Yo, he's jealous. That guy took a drag of his cigarette.
Fucking Honda.
Honda kids over here like.
So as you can tell, car's a lot cleaner. I still got to finish up waxing it. The other bang I gave to my friend, remember? So yeah, I'm gonna finish waxing it or put some spray wax on it real quick just to shine it up a little bit. It will have to either get a whole paint correction or anything of that sort, but most likely I would probably get a paint job. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do that real quick, and then after that we're gonna be doing interior while he washes his car. So
Luna said I'm not allowed in the house.
all right guys, so I got a little bit of ceramic speed shine. It works pretty good, but the way the paint is on this one is kind of faded away already, so it helps a little bit, not as much, but as you can tell, it's still a lot shinier than it was before when I first showed you the car. Just got the whole other side left in the rear, so I should be good right after that. So as you can tell, right here is a little bit faded compared to this side. It's a lot shinier than that. You really can't tell the difference in camera. As you can tell right here, no shiny there, not shiny. All right guys, so there it is. You can tell it's a whole lot cleaner. There's a few spots that need to be buffed out, but it's a big difference now compared to yesterday. And clean all the windows. I still gotta clean the inside, but right now I was doing the outside. And as of right now, it's a lot better. I'm super happy with it. So, all right, now let's get to the inside. I'm gonna start doing the trims outside in here. You can see there's a big difference from there to there. That's how it was before, but now it's a lot cleaner. So, I'm gonna go ahead and start taking seats out, cleaning everything really good, all the edges and all that. So while he does that, I'll be doing this, cleaning it out. But like I said, I'm super happy with this. A lot better than the Audi, let's say. So whenever we'll just start working on mine. I'm gonna start on this.
No, I'm not like detailing my interior. I'm doing yours.
All right, let's get with this. I'm gonna go ahead and start taking out seats, everything else, getting this car cleaned up as much as possible. So first of all, we're gonna go ahead and take these off. That's out of the way.
So he's using non-marring prying tools to pop off the caps over the gigantic torque bits. No, actually, what we have here, a hex head.
Where?
I thought it was gonna be a Torx bit.
Oh no. Oh no. Man, it's already broken there, but why did I even sit on that? We got some 14s there. Yeah, 14s. There's gonna be 4 of them. 2 in the back, 2 in the front. There's 2 connectors under the seat that disconnects everything electronically to the motors and your airbags. So those 2 are disconnected now. The seat's ready to pull out. Guys, all the seats are out, back seats out, the front seats are out. It's a bit of a mess, so I'm gonna go ahead and start taking all the little things out and then start vacuuming. Hey, you got some carpet cleaner, by the way?
I got everything, bud.
All right.
You're not touching this shit. I got you. Just tell me what you want.
Start taking out the damn trash. That's what I want. Hey, you want some power steering? Because I don't.
Huh?
Power steering?
You know I don't need that.
Just kidding.
You know I have none.
But you can see there's a little bit of stuff here and there. I mean, looks like they haven't cleaned it in a while, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that real quick. Alright guys, so I'm over here. Gotta charge my phone up. But you can tell that looks so clean now. guys, as you can tell, my buddy Jesse, he has this side mostly somewhat cleaned. Still got a good bit to do, but that's the first pass.
Dr. Professor Jesse.
So, super happy.
Mr. Dr. Professor Jesse the Third Esquire to you. I want it to be super wet. You know what? I don't want to hear.
I'm gonna start doing the trunk. Just has to be really vacuumed, just wiped down real quick. He's still taking forever on that one side, so got all the trims. Oh shit, hold up.
Hi! I welcome the Chili's. Hey, what's for dinner tonight, Puff Mama? Chili?
Yeah, once I'm done with this side, I'll go straight to the trunk whenever you get to it, but man, this is gorgeous, man. Look at that. Yep, there you go. I'm gonna spray it down real quick, and you can go ahead and use the pressure washer just to clean it off, or spray it down, whatever. And then I'll just let it dry while I keep finishing up the car. Car's almost done. Just gotta put all the seats back in and all that kind of stuff. So go ahead and do this. Spray the hell out of it. And you can tell these carpets were dirty. Now they're stupid clean. Same with, oh dang, Jesse, I think I stepped on this, but it's okay. So I found the fourth wheel in the back of the car. Super excited.
Oh yeah.
Look at that, he's already cleaned this off. You can tell there's a big difference too, so you're doing a good job, buddy.
Spots. If you really want me to tackle some of these spots. I'm sorry, I didn't know you were recording.
That's cool, but that's done. We're just finishing up last few things. As you can tell, bigger difference. He still has to do the rear trunk, but no big deal on that one. Oh shit.
Damn, I was hoping all that would come off.
He did.
What even?
Alright guys, the seats are getting cleaned up by that guy right there.
Andy freaking Sandberg from Hot Rod.
On that, everything else is clean. Just got to put all this stuff in there, and we should be done for that. And then I still got to do the engine bay, but everything is a lot better now.
God. Oh yeah, that's great for the grass. I'm a Jeebus. Yeah, it's like
All that sun just
just
all that heat. But
melting
what I think I'm gonna do, probably in a week or two, once I get it on the road, I think I'm gonna send it out to get some window tint on it, some darker one.
For real?
Oh yeah, for sure, bro.
Oh, you're gonna feel silly sending it out when you see how good the beamer looks.
Dude, 6-7 hours now cleaning this thing, and you can tell it's a big difference.
Has it really been 8 hours?
Dude, it really is. Already 8 something. Look at all that.
pry tool.
Here it is, finally finished up, cleaned by the master here. As you can tell, it's a big difference between I had it before and now, so everything in here. So only took about 8 hours.
It only took 20 minutes. I don't know what you're talking about. I don't know what you mean.
Big difference, brought it back to life. Still got more plans for it, so hope you loved it.
Hope you realize he replaced the rearview mirror.
Yes. So it's been about 8 hours now with this thing. So hope you like this. See y'all later.